Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a WhatsApp chat onto your WordPress page. So for this, we need WordPress, and we also need a website called Elfsite. So you want to go to Elfsite first, and then go to widgets. So by the way, that's elfsite.com. So go to that website, click on widgets right there, find chats, and then click on WhatsApp chat, which as of right now is trending actually. But you want to click on it, click on create widget right there. You can then choose your template. So you can go with the general one, the support one, the sale one, booking. Just check out which one you actually need, right? So for this one, I'm just gonna go with the general one, and then click on continue with this template. Right there, you have to put in your WhatsApp phone number. So if people click on start chat, you'll actually receive messages on that phone number. You can customize the chat bubble, the chat header, the welcome message, and all of that. Now, once you're done customizing this, you want to click on join to install, and then sign up for an account. I already have an account, so I'm going to click on login. And once you've done that, it should actually send you back. Now, once you've signed up, it will probably send you back. All you need to do is click on save at the top right corner. And then next up, you can copy the code. So click on add to website, and then click on copy the code right there. Click to copy. Then go to your WordPress page. Now, this is just a random blank page, so don't pay attention to that. But you want to click on plus, shortcode, paste that in there, and then you can click on preview to just find out what it looks like. You'll then find this WhatsApp icon right there, and you can then do this. Okay, so because I didn't actually link a number, it's not connected, but this is how you can get the WhatsApp chat icon on your WordPress website.